Okay, so welcome back to lesson 10. So before we get started, I have uploaded an assignment for this week. Last session we did not have an assignment, just a little activity. This is kind of an activity also, but it's not like as usual. It's not required of you to submit. It's just there as a tool for you to use to help you in future lessons and to help you review for what we've learned. And also, I have uploaded some articles also in this section. One article is on differences in ADHD between men and women, as well as, and another article is on differences varying in age. Okay, so welcome to lesson 10. ADHD is a disorder that affects children and adults. In this lesson, we'll go over like an overview of ADHD, going over its symptoms, diagnosis, and the impact it has on daily life. So what is ADHD? ADHD is characterized by patterns of inattention, hyperactivity, impulsivity. This can impact someone's ability to function in various aspects of life, whether it be school, work, relationships, whatnot. ADHD is one of the most common neurodevelopmental disorders in children and often persists into adulthood. So some symptoms of ADHD. ADHD, people with ADHD can show signs of difficulty sustaining attention. They'll have a very short attention span, frequent careless mistakes, disorganization, avoidance of tasks requiring sustained mental effort. Like just putting it off to the left or just not even doing it. Forgetfulness in daily activities. And that was for inattention. People who show signs of hyperactivity or impulsivity might show signs of being of fidgeting, not being able to sit still, excessive talking, interrupting others, or even just difficulty waiting for your turn to speak. Diagnosis for ADHD involves a comprehensive evaluation by a healthcare professional. This could be a psychologist, psychiatrist, whatever. They will provide you with a detailed medical history, ask you a few questions, a few behavioral questions, to both you and whoever's come with you. They'll do like a quick questionnaire and a little like a rating scale, and just ruling out potential causes for other symptoms. They'll prescribe you with medication or other examination, whatever other treatment methods may be required. A thorough assessment ensures an accurate diagnosis, which is essential for effective treatment and management. So that's what I was just talking about earlier. And lastly, this can impact daily life in various ways, including academic performance, performance at work, or even just social relationships. People who show signs of or who have ADHD may struggle with time management, organization, and just maintaining focus on tasks. Being able to keep track of multiple instructions, multiple different tasks at the same time. This can lead to challenges in meeting deadlines, keeping up with responsibilities, and just keeping the relationship. So that's the end of lesson 10. Be sure to check out those articles when you get time. And yeah, there is a quiz posted for this section, but we do have lesson 10 to go over, which will be in the next video. And so watch that before taking the quiz. As always, quiz is two questions. Yeah,